Look at this car. It's getting... Oh, you can't see. This car is just getting blown across the street. Hey guys, welcome to the windiest vlog ever. Is it not windy out there, guys?
There was more wind too on April. There was a lot of wind in April.
Today is windier. I'll tell you why.
No,
yeah.
It can't be wind. Well,
today the wind is going over 100 kilometers an hour. That's like over 60 miles an hour. Roman's back, by the way, but
he's not working.
But I don't know if our internet is down because of the wind. My mom's lost power and she's about 10 minutes away here. And she's lost power. Bailey is ready to come in. He's had enough of the wind. It's actually, you know what? Of course, the minute I put the camera on, the wind dies down. But as you can see, this table here, this patio table, it's where it is now. It's where it was. But at one point, about 10 minutes ago, it had went all the way and it was over here. Keep in mind, it's got the umbrella. That's probably acted as a sail for it. But it has an anchor, a giant metal umbrella anchor. So with the anchor and the table and chairs, everything the wind just blew it over here. And it was about 5 or 10 feet in front of us.
I don't want the trampoline moved too.
And the trampoline hasn't moved. It's falling apart, I think, though. The arms are bent. The foam has torn off a little bit. Mind you, it was torn off a little bit before anyways. But come on in, Bailey. The barbecue cover was at one point up and over. I've had to change it and pull it back down twice. After going out there.
And when we were going to the car, I was walking really slowly.
Oh, when I picked him up from school, it was crazy. You probably can't hear me now because the wind is crazy. What are you chewing? Why are you chewing like a cow? So it's going to be really difficult for you guys to hear me because I know I don't have a wind muffle on this, so the wind is probably really crazy.
Oh, can you hear the police?
Yeah, police are probably going. The buds are coming on the trees. Well, it's died down now. Now you guys can go on a trampoline. You can't put gum on a trampoline? Don't blow away. Don't lean on it. Okay. Sorry if you guys couldn't hear me out there. That is how windy it is. Hold on, we're dark. Hold on, focus. There we go. I think we're focused. It is super windy. It was even windier before. I can't even show you it to even show it or to do it justice. I should have turned the camera on the minute it got really windy and when the patio table went flying across. But I didn't get the camera out in time. But here, I will show you. I'm trying to do this all in one take. And so far, it's all one take. Except for that, yeah, no, it's all. Okay, look at our tree in our front. Look at that. It is blowing all over the place. It has no leaves on it, so it's not really bending or anything. But it is windy. Like I said, it's probably like 110 kilometers an hour gusts, but consistently maybe 50 or 60 kilometers an hour, Quentin? What do you say?
100.
100? I don't know if it's that windy. At the gusts, yeah. Look at this car. It's getting, oh, you can't see. This car is just getting blown across the street. Oh, no, sorry, it's moving. You can hear the howling. No, I was kidding, buddy. It isn't. Bailey is glad to be in. Are you glad to be in, buddy?
Yes?
Yeah? I know. You're saying, wow, this is a boring vlog, Dax. Now you know why I haven't vlogged in a little while. We've been busy with school, cheerleading, work, life in general. It's been busy. But now the weather's warming up and the sun's getting really warm. The weather's getting really warm and the sun's coming out a lot more.
It's spring.
It is spring, but it's almost time for camping season. You know what that means? A lot more videos. Oh, and I have a surprise for you guys. I don't want it. You'll know in a few days. Okay, it's not the Tesla. The Tesla's not a surprise. Everyone knows I'm getting a Tesla. And you saw the video last night. But there is something else coming that is going to help out with vlogging.
X?
Sorry?
iPhone X?
For one, it's iPhone 10. Get it right if you're going to live in a Apple home. And no, it's not the iPhone X or 10. No, it's something else that's going to help out vlogging. So it's not the Tesla, like I said. The Tesla's not going to help out vlogging, but you will see the Tesla in a lot more videos coming soon. So stay tuned for that. Is there anything you want to add, Quentin, before we go? Because I'm running out of things to say and do. And hold on, I'm trying to get you in focus here, but it's not focusing on you. Ended up taking a picture. You know what I should do? I should get a new camera. That would surprise the vlog, and that would help a lot, because I don't know why I didn't focus there. But anyways, folks, I'm going to sign off. Thanks for watching. If I get any more, if the wind picks up a lot more, I'll throw it in right now at the end of this video. If not, I apologize. It was a little disappointing, but trust me, it was very, very windy. Say bye.
Bye.
Okay, the power is out now. It's about half hour since I took that video, and I was just editing it, and the power went out. And it's weird because here in Milton, yeah, see? Everyone believes you, Abby, that the power is out. Here in Milton, our hydro is all underground, so I don't know how, I mean, you know what? Since this windstorm's been going on for the past hour, you heard in Quentin was saying in one of the vlogs, you can hear ambulance and fire trucks and emergency services going license sirens around all the place here. There's the sound of the smoke detector or something saying that the power is out. So, you know, this is rare. We've never had the power out. Let me just make sure we're recording.
I've had power out since I was like 3.
Yeah, we don't get power outs here in Milton. We're pretty a new subdivision or area. So it's rare that the power is out. But yeah. You know how you know the power is out? Because the kids aren't watching TV. What are you? You're bored now, right? You don't know what to do with yourself. What are we going to do?
Play. My iPad's working.
The iPads are working, but the iPads are only working up until the battery dies. And then
I thought we had a generator.
we do have a generator, and last fall I tried to start it up and it didn't start. But I'm going to have to pull it out of the garage or out of the shed just in case.
Out, so, when it gets darker,
Yeah.
we should.
Yeah.
But it's light out right now, so we still have...
You know what? Let me end the vlog here. Conserve the power we do have on the computer and MacBook and everything like that. I'll save this editing for later. And start dinner. We're going to have a barbecue anyways for dinner. So we'll barbecue. Hopefully I don't blow away. And I'll try to get that generator going just in case the power doesn't come back up. It'll come back up. It's here in Milton, when the power does really go off, it doesn't go off for very long. See you later. Now, you can hear how windy it is now. And of course, the minute I start doing this, the wind dies down. Before, this camera almost got knocked off its tripod. And the barbecue cover was being jerseyed by like a hockey player in a fight. Oh well, you can't win it all. Okay, here it comes. It's picking up a little bit now.
It's too dangerous. I blew over. I had to hold on to the bar.
Did you?
I almost fell off, yeah. I blew over.